Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about Salarius Pharmaceuticals with ticker SLRX. And I am filming this because George Murrell asked me to do this. Hi Denis, nice job on this one. Any thoughts on SLRX stock? Thanks for doing this. And here you are. Market cap $22 million, negative income minus $7 million, and sales only 3.9. Book to share 1.8 and now price 1.6, price to book below 1 and no debt. If we will check the chart, it looks not really well, but here we can see a really nice buys, and then it draw down a little bit, then again buys, and then draw down, and then again buys. If we will write here Elliott waves after this formation, it is a 5-line chart, and if we are talking about technical analysis, I think it will be some sort of correction after this, but it is not 100%, it is just some Elliott waves. From the other thing, we are expecting some news on in this stock, and maybe we will see the same thing like here. It can go up to like $2.5 and then make some correction. And they publish this news. Salarius Pharmaceuticals, a clinical stage oncology company targeting cancer caused by dysregulated gene expression, today announced that the United States Food and Drug Administration has invited the company to present information regarding its lead investigational compound, Siclibnestat, at the Public Advisory Committee meeting of the Pediatric Oncology Subcommittee on the Oncologic Drugs Advisory Committee, scheduled for June 17, June 18, 2020. And now it is 11 of June. Siclibnestat is a reversible LCD1 inhibitor currently being studied in a phase 1/2 clinical trial for Ewing sarcoma, a rare and deadly pediatric bone cancer for which there are no approved targeted treatments available. The FDA has granted Siclibnestat Fast Track designation as well as orphan and rare pediatric disease designations in recognition of the high unmet medical needs facing Ewing sarcoma patients. And it is really huge. If they will got some good news, the stock can make plus 100% if this meeting will go well, because fast track it is awesome thing. Some their results, they closed 11 million gross proceeds in underwriting public offering, and here you can see total assets $20 million, total liabilities only $2 million, and they burn around $2 million. They have lots of money for their operations, and it is good. And we have some sort of presentation here. Drugs that regulate gene expression have shown clinical efficacy plus immuno-oncology potential. They are really far away from something for commercialization, and I think they wouldn't actually commercialize it by themselves. I think they will sell it to someone. A really nice team, Novartis, Abbott. It is a pipeline, phase 1 or phase 2, DNA, then transaction, RNA transaction, and healthy cells. Cancers driven by incorrect modulation of gene expression can be treated with drugs like Siclibnestat, an LCD1 inhibitor that corrects abnormal epidemic enzyme activity and restore correct gene expression. And here they write that they have some competition, and here you can see the result. Reverses incorrect gene expression, killing or preventing the growth of cancer cells, and it is awesome, and there is no treatment. And here how it looks right now. Diagnosis, 500 patients diagnosed each year median age of diagnosis 15 years. It is so sad. Then it is a chemo, radiation, surgery and amputations. About 40% of patients are refractory or relapse. 70 to 90% 5-year mortality rate. No standardized second-line treatment. It is really sad for 15 years. When I see something like this, I think, okay, I can invest 1% of my portfolio, and even if they fail, I would think that I tried to help them. Clinical studies in 8 clinics, and it is around 20 patients at MTD. Very promising studies for the drug. And genetic screens can help identify patients with an increased chance of response to ciclidemstat. And it is a second thing why you need to buy ILMN, because they are doing the DNA tests. We will definitely see some volumes on this, or maybe next week. Now I don't know what to do with this stock, because it is not optionable. If it was, maybe I will bought some options, but it is not. If the meeting will go wrong, we will see a really big gap down. From the other side, we can see a really nice volumes, and sometimes it means that someone buying the stock, maybe it is a good opportunity to make like plus 100% in a week. I think it is more like yes to buy, but I hope this video was helpful, and I have to say special thanks for Pavel Silber, Sebastian Marena and Corey Whitehead for becoming my patrons. And I started my shortlist thing where I'm posting really interesting stock for a long term, and it is already 16 stocks here, but it is only for billionaires. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye.